It's raining. Sorry, that's my window. Raining like, oh, that's the school. Oh, very nice. We're going out to Starbucks and Taco Bell's, and I don't know what else. We're just gonna get some lunch. Lunch is over, I think. No, we're gonna get lunch. It's like 3:30 or 3:40. We're just getting ready. What the heck is this? Got some mail. Fruity Food York. Let's go inside. Okay. Okay, got this in the mail. Watch over. Announcement. Whatever. Jesus, where he came from, where he lived, why he died. Let's call these informations. Stuff like that. So I'm in my window. See the school with mud. I hate mud. See?